Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect your Nissan Leaf charger. First, always ensure your Nissan Leaf is completely powered off before you begin the disconnection process. This is a crucial safety step. Next, locate the charging port, which is usually positioned conveniently on the front of your vehicle. Once you have found it, firmly press the release button located directly on the charging connector itself. This action initiates the unlocking sequence for the cable. Understanding the release mechanism is key to a smooth disconnection. The button on the charging connector itself is designed to disengage the lock that secures the cable to your vehicle's port. For certain Nissan Leaf models, you might also find a secondary release button located inside the car, often near the driver's seat, which can also unlock the port. Always listen carefully for a clear, audible click. This sound confirms that the connector has successfully unlocked and is ready for removal. Once the charger is unlocked, the next step is to safely remove the cable. Gently pull the charging connector straight out from the vehicle's port. It should slide out smoothly without resistance. It is very important to avoid twisting or forcing the connector, as this could potentially damage both the cable and your car's charging port. After removal, always remember to replace the charging port cap immediately to protect the internal components from dust, dirt, and moisture. Adopting best practices ensures longevity for your equipment and safety for you. Always handle the charging cable with completely dry hands to prevent any electrical hazards. After disconnecting, store the charging cable properly, coiling it neatly to avoid kinks or physical damage that could compromise its performance. Furthermore, make it a habit to regularly inspect both the charging port on your Nissan Leaf and the cable itself for any signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion, ensuring everything remains in top condition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.